important thing here is that traditionally the damper needs to be within the plane of the wall, right? So the center line of the damper frame needs to fall somewhere within the thickness of the barrier. If you do need to be outside the plane of the wall, that's what those out of wall dampers are for. And we are using retaining angles to secure the damper in place. We do need to, again, make sure we are following the manufacturer's installation instructions. All those instructions call for retaining angles. I mentioned with the multi-blade products, one thing we can't do is take them where the blades are running vertically and rotate at 90 degrees. So now the blades are running, sorry, did I say vertically? I meant horizontally. Rotate it at 90 degrees so the blades are running vertically. We need special vertical blade products for that. We do have them, we do make them, but there's a little bit of a design difference. We'll put extra washers in them to help them pass the fire test and keep the blades in position. So vertical blades, usually only ever see that if someone wants actuator access at the top or bottom for some reason. Important that the fire or fire smoke damper is in a sleeve, the correct sleeve. I'm not going to say much more than that or go deeper than that, but just be aware that that damper itself does need to be in a sleeve to facilitate the installation. That sleeve has some requirements in terms of how far out of the wall it needs to come. So 6 inches max, unless we have an access door or actuator, then we can do 16 inches, but then we do have to terminate that sleeve. And if we're continuing ductwork, we'll need to make a breakaway connection there.